All right, welcome to the FMI Show. So today we're going to take a look at a total market, see how that's looking, take a look at Bitcoin, and we're going to go over a NFT project. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're going to pull up the stock market. And the reason why I'm pulling this up today is because we do have 4,000 advancing stocks today. And I just kind of find that a little weird just because of this is a holiday weekend for the States. So the markets will be closed on Monday. And normally when you see that, if there's some concern about the economy, stuff going on, a lot of times you won't see people stay in their positions. You'll see a lot more pulling out because they don't want to have their money locked up for that long. So on that Friday, you would see a little bit of a sell-off. So I'm kind of curious to see if we close green here today or if we keep these advances. All right, so let's talk about Bitcoin right now. Last week we were expecting a bounce before the news came out about Grayscale. It's funny how charts work. A lot of times it's like you can see it happen before the news comes out. That's why it's good to have a little bit of knowledge of some basic chart reading, just if you're going off the moving averages. But as of right now, what we're looking at, we did get that little bounce, but we did get rejected off the 200-day moving average. That would have been an area to look at, is how far it would have bounced to. That's if you're under a 200-day moving average, it's going to take a lot of momentum to try to break through that. As of right now, we are printing a red dot. It's going to nullify this buy signal here in a few days. So, and as of right now, kind of what I'm looking at is, as far as it is looking more like were going to go down a little bit. I wouldn't be too concerned unless we broke like the 24,700 range. And then if we did break that, we could see a test here at the 20,000 would be probably the worst case scenario. We do have a little bit of a trend line coming up here from our last bottom, and we could intersect with that to bounce back up if we did get that low. But as of right now, until our next thing would be the 24,000. If we don't break that, I wouldn't be too concerned just yet. And we can go and check out some articles to kind of see why we got the sell-off right after we had that pump. All right, so Grayscale had a victory against the SEC in the courts, and that's what caused the pump the other day. And then just yesterday, we did have the SEC delay the decisions on the other Bitcoin ETFs until October. Now, this does not deny them; it's just a delay. They're just kind of just moving the goalposts down a little further. All right, not crypto or investing related, but congratulations to UCF on their first victory of the season. Let's keep it going. All right, so the NFT project we want to bring up is Eggscape Club, and the reason why is they're really second to none when it comes to communicating with their holders. They just did a third round of their holders royalty distribution, and that's going to be around 20K this year that they've given back to their holders. And you can see people are posting about how much they got for holding, and they've just done a really good job working through this bear market. They keep you updated. They're either posting on Twitter or X now. They're always putting out updates on their Discord. This is one that's, I've gotten out of projects, not that they were bad. It's just I've gotten so used to how well Eggscape has communicated with their holders that I just started to feel uncomfortable being in a project. It's hard when they're not communicating and not keeping that dialogue going in between everyone. It makes you feel like the project might be in trouble. Not necessarily is always the case, but it's just, this is what I've gotten used to, and I really do support this community. All right, that's all we got for today. A little short video. I just want to say thank you to everyone. And we see the views are going up. We're starting to get some more subscribers. We appreciate all of you. We're going to be going to the NFT Con in Las Vegas. We're going to be posting some content from that. So if that's interesting to you, subscribe to the channel. We'll be posting more stuff about that. All right. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.
You can see the writing on the pavement. Young kids thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.